Hey guys, Dan here and welcome to Nightlife Bartenders. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a margarita in 1 minute. Step 1. Rim margarita glass with salt and fill it with ice. Step 2. Take a Boston shaker and add 1.5 ounce of tequila, 3/4 ounce triple sec, then add 3/4 ounce lime juice and 3/4 ounce simple syrup and add ice. Step 3. Shake the Boston shaker 10 times vigorously. Step 4. Strain alcohol into margarita glass. Step 5. Add a lime garnish. And that's how you make a margarita cocktail. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video. If you're looking for concise bartending tutorials, then this is the channel for you. And if you're looking for deals on the tools and glassware used in this video, links are in the description for that. Have a wonderful night, guys. I hope you're staying healthy at home and keeping busy. Until next time. Bye, guys.